Meadow Mystery Crochet Along Part 5. Now we will be working into the right leg. Insert the hook both at the bottom and at the top where the stitch marker is placed. This is the very original stitch marker that marked the middle of the round. Then grab new brown yarn and slip knot both sides together. Remember to slip knot tightly and securely together. Then work in a clockwise direction. Start off round 1 with an increase in the first stitch first. This is where we did the slip knot. So we do the first stitch and then we just tighten the slip knot as well. And then we remove the stitch marker and then replace it as the start of round 1. Then we proceed to do the increase. So this is the second single crochet in the same stitch. Right, we've completed that. And then we will continue to work into round 1. Now here we will continue round 1 with single crochet of 1 stitch at the next lower level. Remember the skip stitches we talked about previously. So this is at the next lower level. And then we will single crochet 1 at the next lower level at the previous skip stitch that we made when we did the flap. And then we will continue with single crochet 1 again at the next lower level. Okay, and for this last part, we will finally work single crochet 7 stitches in the lowest level. So that's 1, and then we will continue on with single crochet 2, and then 3, and then another 4 more for the rest of the round. So you can see we have completed the first round of the right leg. For round 2, single crochet 12 stitches all around the round. And then for the next few rounds, we'll be repeating the same as what was done for round 2. For rounds 3 to 6, for a total of 4 rounds, just single crochet 12 all around the round, which as you can see is already done here. Then start round 7 with single crochet 3 stitches, 2, and then 3, and then we will continue round 7 with a single crochet cluster stitch of 3 together to 1. And then we will finish off round 7 with single crochet 4 stitches first, followed by 3 single crochet stitches in each of the next 2 stitches. Here we are doing the 3 single crochet stitches in the last 2 stitches. So this is the first set, and then the third, and then we will repeat for another set in the last stitch of round 7. Here, get ready to switch to white yarn as we proceed to make the bottommost part of the leg or the foot. Switch to white yarn. Start round 8 in white with single crochet of 3 stitches. Then continue round 8 with a single crochet cluster stitch of 3 together. So you should have 4 loops on the hook, yarn over and pull through all 4 in white. End of round 8 with single crochet of 8 stitches in white. Then cut off brown yarn and add stuffing to the leg. Start off round 9 with a single crochet of 1 stitch and then a decrease, alternating for a total of 2 sets. So we have completed the second decrease and then we will continue round 9. Finish off round 9 with a half double crochet of 6 stitches together like we did for the other leg in white. Remember to get 7 loops on the hook before you yarn over and pull through all the loops to form the double crochet cluster stitch. End off everything with a slip stitch of 1 stitch in round 10. Close up in front loops only and then we will end off. Remember, any holes that you have had in the middle at the start of the legs, close them up by sewing with the same colored brown yarn. Then tie off any excess yarn that you have and you do not need. Conceal any excess yarn that you have at the end. You can see here that both legs are now completed. We have just finished the right leg. Can you guess what animal this is yet? Remember to stay tuned for part 6.